Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about blurters, the students who think every thought in their head needs to be broadcast live like they're hosting a morning radio show. Instead of calling them out, which usually just gives them a bigger audience, here's the sneaky teacher hack. Walk over and stand near them. That's it. No lecture, no side-eye Olympic performance, just proximity. It's like Wi-Fi for classroom management. The closer you are, the stronger the signal, and blurting magically weakens. Here's how it works in practice. You're teaching about tener, and suddenly Miguel blurts out, I have a cat named Kevin. Instead of stopping your flow, just wander over near Miguel while still teaching. Keep talking about tener like nothing happened. 9 times out of 10, he'll instantly quiet down because now you're right there and blurting isn't nearly as fun when the teacher is within arm's reach. Bonus move, if you want to double down, plant yourself there for a bit while you keep teaching. Suddenly, Kevin the cat goes back into hibernation. And the best part, you save your voice and keep the lesson moving. No embarrassing the student, no power struggle, just quiet control. Try it tomorrow and watch the magic happen. And if you're hungry for no drama, high impact classroom hacks like this, grab the CI Survival Kit now with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish. Get it at mm.us/kit. It's like the teacher toolbox that keeps giving, minus the random expo markers that don't even work.